Think tips and service charges are the same thing? The IRS and the new tax laws say otherwise. Welcome to Tax Term Tuesday. I'm John Thompson, an enrolled agent and owner of JCT Tax Solutions, and today we're breaking down qualified tips versus service charges, a distinction that's becoming huge under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. Key difference: tips are voluntary payments customers choose to give. Service charges are mandatory fees the business adds to your bill, like an automatic gratuity for a large party at a restaurant. It really comes down to who controls the money. For a tip, the customer decides the amount and whether to tip at all. For a service charge, the business sets the rate and adds it automatically. That's the legal difference. Right now, both tips and service charges are taxable to employees. Employers must withhold taxes on both, no difference in tax treatment yet. Under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, qualified tips become tax-free for employees, but service charges, still taxable. This makes the distinction crucial for workers' paychecks. To be tax-free under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, you need to work in an occupation that customarily received tips before 2025, like restaurants, bars, or personal services. The tips must be truly voluntary. There can't be consequences for not tipping, it can't be negotiated, and the customer has to decide the amount. This includes both cash tips and tips charged to credit cards, even if shared among employees. Employers need systems to separate qualified tips from service charges. Different payroll treatment, different reporting requirements. One major exception: if you work for certain professional service businesses, your tips will not qualify for the tax rate. So here's an example. We've got two workers in the same restaurant. Server A gets $50 worth of voluntary tips from customers. That's going to be tax-free under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. Server B gets $50 from the automatic 18% gratuity that was added to a large party. It's still taxable as a service charge. Same work, different take-home pay. And that's qualified tips versus service charges. Hit like if this helps you navigate the new rules, and comment with questions for next Tuesday.